I'm Andy Schiller. I'm a physical geographer. Right now, I'm specializing in studying streams. I work for the Department of Natural Resources. I've been with them for coming up on 9 years. I've been working with this project for 3 years. The Missouri Hydrology Information Center, or MoHIC, was a program that was developed as a result of the 2019 flooding. MoHIC is basically an opportunity for us to kind of consolidate our resources so that we can better inform the public. The app is the Missouri Flood and Drought app. It's available on the Apple Store and the Google Store. It's free of charge. Right now we're in Douglas County. We're just outside of Ava, Missouri. Today we are out here installing a stream gauge out on this bridge, and that purpose of that stream gauge is to monitor water levels in this channel. One way that this is going to help save lives is that it'll provide tools so that emergency responders can better utilize their resources. By knowing where the water is and how fast it's moving in certain cases, that will also help small towns to be able to plan for what's coming. If they can see that the water level is still going up on a stream gauge that is upstream of their town, they know that that water is still going to be a problem, and it's becoming more of a problem. As we improve our network, we're going to keep installing stream gauges and also drought sensors. We're going to continually keep adding to this app so we can provide as much information to the public as possible on an ongoing basis.